Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch Ultra and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by tapping on the screen or by pressing the upper button. And once you wake up the screen you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and to open the watch face menu you need to press and hold on the current watch face, like this. And once the menu opens, you can scroll through the list of watch faces and look for the one you like. But by default, you will have this one only, and you will need to add more. And to do that, select the Add Watch Face option, scroll through the list of watch faces, find the one you like, basically. And once you find the watch face you like, you can tap on it to add it to the list. And it will be added to this list, as you can see. And now, if you want to apply the watch face, you can tap on it to select it and apply it. You can also customize the watch faces. So if you open the watch face menu, you have the customize button under them, and this allows you to change, for example, how the clock looks like. Then you can swipe left, change the color of the accents. Then you can swipe left and change the complications, so the widgets. You can tap on one of the pulls, select the one you like, for example, I don't know, blood oxygen, barometer, and here let's say I want the battery. Where's the battery? Here we have it, and here I don't know, maybe stress. And then we can swipe left again. I believe we have more complications, so select the one you like, for example temperature, and that's about all. So once you're done editing the watch face, you can press the upper button to apply the changes. You can also select the option called Edit on Phone, and if you tap on this option, it will open the Galaxy Wearable application on the phone that is paired with your watch. And there you can basically customize the watch faces. So let's bring the phone that is paired with our watch and tap on that option. So if we open the menu, tap on Edit on Phone, it will open the Galaxy Wearable app. And here we can customize our watch faces. So you can scroll through the categories, for example, look for the watch face you like, and you can tap on it to add it to your watch, to your list, and then you can apply it. You can also customize the watch faces, of course, by tapping on Customize. Here I believe we have like presets, right? Yeah. So we have like pre-made presets, but you can also customize them to your liking. So set up your watch face and then tap on Save, and the watch face should be applied. And if you just want to change watch face on your watch by using the app from the list of existing ones, here we have the list of watch faces added to our watch face list. You can find the one you like and then tap on it, and it will be applied automatically on your watch like this. Quite simple. Okay. As you can see, some of the watch faces right here have this download button. These are downloadable, and you will need to download them first to add them to your watch. So if you tap on the watch face, you will need to tap on Allow and Install, and it should be downloading on your. Oh no, we need to log in into a Samsung account first. So I don't know if I remember my login. Well, let's try. Okay, apparently I do. So I logged in into a Samsung account. Skip for now, I don't want to change the password. Tap on Continue. Continue. Something is not working. Hello. What if I tap on Cancel? Okay, I'm gonna close this and reopen the Galaxy Wearable. Tap on watch faces and try to download watch face, so this one for example, and now it's downloading, I believe. Yeah, so like you saw before, we need to log into a Samsung account, and then the watch face will start downloading, and after it's done, I believe it will be applied automatically. And if not, you basically will be able to select it right here. It won't have the download button anymore. It will be added to the list, and now it should be applied. Yeah. Okay. So that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.